Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast in Roblox. Start by opening Roblox Studio and creating a cozy kitchen scene, then place a table, toaster, and frying pan. Model or import bread, egg, and milk items and group them logically. Sketch interaction flow for picking up ingredients, dipping bread, cooking, and serving. Keep object names clear so scripting and triggers stay simple and reliable for players. In this video, I will explain how to make French toast in Roblox. Attach click detectors and remote events to objects so players can pick up bread and combine items, then update states like raw, dipped, and cooked. Script a timer for cooking duration and trigger animations for flipping and serving. Add sound effects and particle emitters to simulate sizzling and steam. Test transitions to ensure players cannot skip steps and that the recipe In this video, I will help with making French toast in Roblox. Build a friendly UI with prompts, a progress bar, and success messages to guide players through each step. Offer small rewards or badges for completing the recipe to boost replayability. Smooth object snapping and adjusted collision boxes keep items from jittering. Playtest with friends, refine timers and sounds, and iterate until the experience feels satisfying and easy for new players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.